gold digger. How many of you have heard this one? I'm sure many of you does. The moment a Filipina marries a foreigner, people are quick to slap on a label. Oh, she's just after the money. Oh, she's just getting dollars. She's a digger. Oh, she just won a green card. Anyhow, today let's break this down together because I myself am married to a foreigner and I want to talk honestly about where this stereotype comes from and why it's usually wrong. So, where does the gold digger label come from? Let's be fair. This didn't come from nowhere. These really are cases where someone exploited a relationship for money, and those stories spread fast on social media, through gossip, through warning videos. One bad story travels faster than 100 good ones ever will. But here's the problem. One isolated case gets generalized to everyone. One Filipina who scams someone get used to paint every Filipina with a foreign husband the same way. That's not fair and it's not accurate. Now let's talk about other side of the story. Who are these men that the story is actually pointing at? Based on what I've seen from my own experience, from my friends, from the community I've been connected with online, most of these men are millionaires? No, they're not. They're not rich businessmen or retirees with a pile of investment. Most of them are just regular employees, truck drivers, factory workers, office staff, people who clock in and clock out, living paycheck to paycheck, just like most everyone here in America. They work hard just to get by. They have bills, they have rent or mortgage, they have car payments, they have child to support from their previous marriage. Others are saving up just to afford a plane ticket to visit to the Philippines. So if you're looking for a gold digger, where exactly is it when both people are budgeting for groceries, working overtime and saving up to see each other? That's not digging for gold. That's two people building a life together the hard way, just like any other couple. Why this matters? This stereotype hurts in two directions. For Filipinas who gets judged instantly even when the love is real, even when they're the ones contributing to the relationship financially, emotionally, in every way. For foreign husbands who get generalized as either the predators or ATM machines, instead of being seen as regular partner just anyone else, real relationships, foreign or local, are built on partnership. Two people supporting each other, facing struggles together, budgeting money together, working towards shared dreams. What I want you to remember next time you see a Filipina married to a foreigner, don't jump to judgment. Don't assume it's just for money. Because most of the people I know are the ones helping each other's expenses, budgeting for the next visit, and supporting family on both sides of the world. Not every love story has gold in it. For most, it's simple, hard work, sacrifice, and genuine love built day by day. If this resonates you, share this video, maybe because there's someone in your life who has been judging couples like without knowing the full story. Okay? Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next video, always choose kindness before judgment. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.